Yahoo! Prof here, and I've got another Pokemon Pulse for you. This time, we've got another one of the coveted Shining Fates boxes. In this case, it's the Mad Party Pin Collection, Galarian Mr. Rime. If you check out last video, we did the Dedenne one, and I actually pulled a Galarian Mr. Rime. Obviously not the same one as the promo card here, but that was a really good box for me. In this, let's take a look what it's supposed to have. We're supposed to have one foil promo card, saw that, one enamel pin, and 3 boosters. There you go. Let's get this thing sliced open. Ever since I cut my nail, my thumb's been not as functional as a thumb, I swear. Oh, and look at that! I forgot to take pictures again. I fail as a Pokemon puller here. Jeez, guys, I should be taking these before I'm even shooting the video. At least this time I remembered before. I mean, I cut it open, but before I had it all apart. I think that's a plus, right? Well, I removed some infections from my uncle's laptop, and now it doesn't, well, it'll boot into Windows. It won't boot into safe mode. And I need to get into safe mode because every time I'm in Windows, the desktop keeps crashing, which, let's just say, is an issue. Removed a couple hundred infections. One of which was a fake installer for Google Earth. I mean, it seemed to have gotten him Google Earth, but got him some other stuff along with that, if you know what I mean. Alright, so here is our Mad Party Pin Collection Galarian Mr. Rime. Mad Party, right there. And then we have the enamel pin. There you go. Still, no idea what to do with those. And then in here, we have our 3 packs, 2 of which are the fancy Charizard. If you guys are interested in any of my online cards, hit me up on Twitter at the Prophecist. I'll gladly give them away to you. Just let me know what you're looking for. Alright, we got our 3 Shining Fates packs. Since we got 2 of the Charizard, we're going to start with those. Alright. Let's see how this goes here. Oh, it tore in the middle. I hate when the clear plastic, like the glossy plastic protective layer, separates from the foil. It makes my life so much harder than it really needs to be. If you know what I mean. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't think I have a Rotom from this, a Rotom. Floatzel, pretty badass looking Floatzel there. A Rusted Sword. Snob, I still like that song. Grookey. Eevee, good art on that Eevee as well. More Pico. Choodle, I'm having some pretty big deja vu here. Reverse Hollow Luxio, I might have this one already. You guys could probably tell me better than I can tell myself. And then a Volcanion. And a Fire Energy. So if I do indeed have a Reverse Hollow Luxio already, you guys are welcome to it. Just let me know what you want to trade or give me for it. And she's yours. Alright, pack number dos. Alright. Hey, let's see this guy. Nothing, it smells like Pokemon cards, but it's not one of those, like, holy crap, that is Pokemon cards smells, if you know what I mean. Alright, online card. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we have our Edelgos, a normal Luxio, Ball Guy, Choodle, Spinnerack, Cufant, Glossopler, Snom. Got plenty of Snoms. We got ourselves a pull. And if you watched the previous video, I also just pulled a Rillaboom V. So we got both of those guys. Followed by a standard Celebi and a Fire Energy. Rillaboom VMAX. I'm happy to pull that. Do that in a sleeve here. I have to think about that though. How many cards you need to get to this? Because it's like Rillaboom's, I think, the third evolution, right? And then you have a Rillaboom V, and then you have a Rillaboom VMAX. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You're gonna be building this up for like a while to actually use it. I mean, I guess that's a way to expand the game a bit compared to using a really basic deck. Alright, our last pack in this pin collection here of Shining Fates. Line card 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have the cool looking Floatzel here. We got a Dartrix, Rotom, Yanma, Trapinch, Nickit, Glossopler, Cacnea, Reverse Hollow Thwacky, and a Yanmega, as well as a Grass Energy. Well, I don't think I had as good luck with the pulls in this pin collection as I did the previous one. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Because I only pulled one holo per pack, and nowhere near as many fancy cards. But I'm happy to get that Rillaboom VMAX, though. That was a good pull for me, at least. Alright, let's recap on what we pulled here. Alright, let's take a peek at what we pulled. We, of course, have the promo card here. The Galarian Mr. Rime. Then we have a Reverse Hollow Luxio. I think I might have one of these. If so, it's up for grabs. Then the pull of this collection here, this Rillaboom VMAX. And then we have a reverse hollow Thwacky. What the heck does SV mean? Is that a new thing? Because this Rillaboom VMAX is SV106 out of SV122, whereas this other one is 12 out of 72. Yeah, the normal ones are out of 72. Interesting. Let me know if you have down in the comments if you have some more info on that, because usually the numbers even on the hollows carry through, and you have like special hollows that are like outside of that range, like it's 200 out of 198 or something like that. That would be a special hollow from what I understand. Well, hopefully you enjoyed these Pokemon polls. You know, throw a like if you did, and hopefully we'll see you next time. And hopefully I can get my hands on the rest of these Shining Fates. They're very hard to find. And ideally, I would like some different ones. So if you guys know a good place to get them, not for $50, because they're like 15, I think, new normally, maybe 20. And right now, if you check like even like Amazon, they're going for like 40, 50 bucks minimum. Probably because people can't find them anywhere. But and check out the previous video for sure. My pulls on there, like I was just lifting, not pulling, just pumping them. It was good. Well, here you go. We'll leave you with Hamlet here trying to get over onto the Pokemon pulling bench. He's no longer trying and needs to be removed. Well, you guys have a good one.